What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home video. And in this video, I want to talk about some non-phone work from home jobs where you can make up to or over $4,600 per month. And these are beginner friendly jobs. They're completely remote. You can work from home. And also you don't have to be on the phone. You don't have to be taking any calls because these are going to be either typing jobs or just jobs that are non-phone related. So if you're looking for remote work from home opportunities that don't include you working in a call center environment, which is where you'll find most remote work from home jobs, then these are going to be really good options because again, non-phone work from home jobs, and you can make up to or over $4,600 per month in these jobs. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. And so the first one I want to talk about is this company right here. It's Podia. I'll leave the link down below to this website, but just to give you guys an idea, Podia provides people with email marketing and products. So they say thousands of people like you use Podia to bring their entire business into a single platform. Podia is free, and as you grow, it has all the tools you need to keep growing. So this is what they do, kind of like email marketing and websites. So that's the business that they're in. And currently they have an open position here, and it is for a creator support agent. And this is working from Tuesday to Saturday. Now this is a remote job position, remote United States. So if you're in the US, then you can get this job. And I believe there were no states that were excluded. So if you're in the US, then you can definitely apply here, because as long as you're within the US, then you can get this job. Now, for this particular job, it says, here's what you'll do. You'll develop a solid foundation in our products and best practices for using Podia in order to be experts for our creators. Respond courteously, effectively, and quickly via chat and email to creators, questions, meeting or exceeding our team's service level agreements and goals. So no phones required. Troubleshoot and log bug reports with our developers, keeping creators updated along the way. Provide feedback to support leadership on opportunities to improve the efficiency and quality of support we provide. And requirements, these are what they're looking for. So they're looking for someone who has really, or as they say here, really good writing skills, who can write or who can rewrite this bullet to make it sound better. The ability to meet people where they are, so you can take screenshots and record videos for creators like a boss. Time management and organizational skills to successfully balance multiple priorities, problem solving skills, and also technical troubleshooting. Support experience, knowing what it takes to make customers happier than they were before they met you. And also, I guess these are not required, but it would be great if you had these. Have created or sold an online course, digital download, or community before. If you have experience with help desk software like Zoom, Basecamp, and Slack, if you have experience working remotely and you have access to a stable high-speed internet connection, if you have worked with digital creators before. Now these are not requirements, they're just like a plus. If you have these, it would be better for you. So if you have any of these, that may give you an edge here. And when you work here, these are some of the benefits that you'll be getting. So they say there is no micromanaging here, which is good. They have a 401k match, health insurance, and other benefits. They also give you a stipend that you can spend on health-related expenses for non-US based employees. You can work from anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection. You also get 3 weeks off paid vacation, and also you get another week during the December holidays. So I think that's a big deal because most companies are only going to give you 2 weeks of PTO. You also get paid family leave. You get a brand new laptop, and there's more. You also get paid annual retreats to spend time with the team and have fun. And you'll get to connect with some of the best creators there are. So this is a really great opportunity. Now, they didn't list the salary here. Let's see, they didn't list the salary here, or they didn't say how much you would be making. So we could go over to Glassdoor to take a look at what they're paying. So this is a creator support agent at Podia. Now they are listed at Glassdoor. I tried to find the salary for that particular position, but it wasn't listed here. So the closest thing I could find to it was creator support, which could be the same job, but people just made it creator support instead of creator support agent. And on average, these people are making around $56,000, anywhere from $43,000 to $72,000, but on average $56,000 per year. And $56,000 per year works out to be just about $4,660, or right around there, per month. So that is a good deal for a remote work from home job that you don't need to be on the phone for. So if you are interested, go ahead and apply for this job. I'll leave the link down below where you can apply, and let's jump right into the next one. Now, the next one is going to be at this company. It's Collation. And just to give you guys an idea, Collation is a SEO company. They say a top-rated SEO company. Here it says, work with an SEO services company that has experts in digital marketing, web design, development, and PPC advertising. Collation Technologies is the agency to help drive traffic to your website and convert those visitors into customers or qualified leads. So that is what they do here. Now, they have a couple open positions, and you could go through some of these open positions, but two that I want to talk about in this video are, number one, the copy strategist at Collation Technologies. Now, this one doesn't require you to be on the phone, so that's kind of good. Now, with this job, it says they have the most competitive profit sharing bonus plan, paying up to 50% of the company's profits to full-time employees each month. So that is actually a very big deal. They have a competitive paid time off plan. They have subsidized gym memberships. You get medical, dental, vision, and life packages for all US-based team members. You get device upgrades and learning reimbursement. You also get additional job-specific incentives and bonuses. So we're giving a lot of bonuses here, or a lot of free things here. So this makes working here a good deal. Now, for this job, these are the requirements. So they want someone that has excellent written English with strong proofreading skills, flawless grammar, and punctuation. Also, they want someone who has experience or education as a marketing copywriter, advertising copywriter, or some similar professional position. And it says preferred, so it is not just required. So even if you don't have this, you can still apply for this position. Also, bonus points for prior experience in a position of management and mentorship. Again, this is preferred rather, not required. Also, they want someone with a general understanding of social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn. So if you have any of these, then that will be good. I mean, you guys should, because everyone uses social media. Also, an interest in learning how to write for the web and SEO practices, the ability to write and follow strict content production and guidelines. If you go through the list here, there is nothing really in there that would require you to have like a college degree or, years and years of experience. So basically all this stuff is like beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, you should have some, if not all of these skills here. So you should be able to apply for this job. Also, you need to be available to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that is there. Now, for this particular position, this is what you'll be doing. You will supervise SEO content campaigns from the initial kickoff through research production and concluding with live content on the client's website. You will act as the supervising copy editor on your accounts. Writers and producers will look to you as a content specialist and manager of the brand's voice. And also, you'll conduct like keyword research for each page on a client's website, become an effective online marketing manager by pairing their products and services with the most relevant search terms. So a lot of SEO work here. And for this job, they're paying anywhere, or well, it says for these states, the starting base pay for this position is anywhere from $15 all the way up to $35 per hour. So that's kind of like the range, depending on where you are. you may be paid anywhere between or anywhere inside this range. So keep that in mind. It could be $15 an hour, it could be $30 an hour, it could be $35 an hour. Just depends on your location and also your past experience and educational background as well. So that is the first job they have here that I think would be great if you're looking for a non-phone work from home job. Now the second job they had listed was a email marketing specialist. And again, you get all these good bonuses here. The profit sharing plan, 50% of the company's profits paid to full-time employees each month, and all these other great deals here. Now for this particular job, they want you to have strong proofreading and editing skills. They want you to have experience in strategizing. They want you to have excellent verbal, interpersonal, and written communication skills. They also want you to be self-directed, capable of staying on track and pursuing solutions without supervision, strong organizational skills and exemplary attention to detail, the ability to maintain strict confidentiality and discretion. You need to be able to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Also, knowledge and expertise of emailing through these platforms, for example, Salesforce, HubSpot, or Drip. Also, they did say a degree in marketing, business, or related field, but this is preferred, not required. So if you don't have that, you can still apply. And if you actually get this job, this is what you're going to be doing. These are the duties and tasks here. And you can go through all this stuff yourself if you are actually interested in this particular position. But again, the starting pay here, or the range, is anywhere from $15 to $35 per hour. And again, this depends on your location and also your past experience and educational background as well. So all those will tie into how much you're actually paid. Now I did go over to Glassdoor to find this company. They are listed on Glassdoor. They have a ton of reviews here. I wasn't able to find those or those two positions here, but here are just some salaries here, like customer success manager. They're making around $73,000 per year, and other jobs here that could be remote, like customer success or customer success manager or product marketing manager. All these jobs are making over, I think, over $70,000 per year on average. And if you look to the side, so this is going to be the base salary, and this would be like bonuses. If you look at the bonuses, you'll see that most of these jobs, they have really good bonuses, thousands of dollars. So they are actually doing that profit sharing, and people are getting those bonuses. So if you're interested, I'd say go ahead and apply. I'll leave the link down below to these two positions here at Collation Technologies. And these were just some really good non-phone work from home jobs that I came across that can pay you, over $4,600 per month. They're beginner friendly, and all you'll be doing is emailing or typing, but you're never gonna really be on the phone talking with people for these jobs. So with that said, comment down below. Let me know if you've ever worked at any of these companies before, if you've worked at Podia or if you've worked at Collation, and let me know what the experience was like. And as always, all the best in finding your remote or your dream remote work from home job. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.